Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to share how you can make $100 to $500 per day without your own website, without traffic, without selling. Yeah, that's it. And the platform I'm going to share, they will pay you directly to your PayPal or any other channel that you choose. And literally, you can make money from anywhere in the world. You ready for this? Okay, now you don't need your own website for this. But I highly recommend you use your website because a website is an asset. When you have a website, your own content, people will know you as a respected person, as a professional, not just another guy trying to make money online. If you already have your own website, go ahead, use it. If you don't have your own website, we have a solution for you. The solution is Maven. The link is in the description. Well, this is kind of advert. Maven is my product. It's a software. It is cloud-based software. It literally and legally hijacks any website content and turns into your content completely legally. It rewrites using AI. So, this is so mind-blowing. In case you have server problem, domain problem, or content creation is a problem for you, use Maven. The link is in the description. That's it. Advertisement is done. All right. Now we go to the content, and in a moment, I will share how to go to this platform, how to sign up, how to create your campaign. Not campaign is already ready. You just start immediately, all right? But stick to the end of the video because at the end of the video, I will share with you my signature software that will drive you traffic 100% free, and the software will also be 100% free. So please stick to the end of the video. The link to that software will be shared somewhere near the end of the video. So please stick to the end of the video. Okay, by the way, in case you like our videos, please hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and switch on the notification bell button, as this is the only way you are going to be the first one to get notified when we upload our next video. And the next video will be so awesome. Let's do this. Yeah. All right, we are on CPALead.com and go on the top right corner, click on the sign up button and read their advertisement contract details. Now you have to sign up using your email. So first use your first name, then use your last name, use your email. Then they ask you, have you earned $1,000 or more with another network with content locking? In our case, we said no. We had no problem with it. We got approval, so you can try it. Put your password and choose your secret question. Then here are the terms and conditions. Read them properly. Sometimes they change. Especially read about their payment plans. When you are ready, check this box and click submit. Congratulations, your account is immediately activated and available for use. Click go to your dashboard. And this is how your dashboard will look like. On the left hand side, you'll find offers. You can check the available offers. You can filter them according to country. You can choose from the payouts. This is the most important thing, right? Well, basically, in my opinion, the offer is the most important thing, because if the offer is relevant to your traffic, then you're going to make easy money. But still, there are all types of offers. With a little research, you can easily find easy offers that can make you a lot of money. You can choose the offer type from this drop-down menu. It can be email submit and surveys, pin submits, mobile, trial or purchase. Email submits and surveys are one of the easiest ones. You can filter back and forth and check which offer fits you the best. Then you can choose the landing pages. You can use pre-made pages. Well, these companies build generic pages for the mass affiliates. So they may or may not be the best for you, your brand, and your audience. And that is why I highly recommend you use your own landing page using Maven. So let's say win a brand new iPhone 12 Pro. You just have to click that promote page button, and now you got your affiliate link. Basically, this is your landing page link in case you want to choose the pre-made landing page. Click copy the link. Now this link can be shared anywhere. You can share it with your friends and family, with the social media, in email, or you can embed this link into your Maven page or any other website page. Now, according to the contract and conditions, when anyone takes action using your link, you will make money. Now this one free $100 PayPal cash is hot. Get your link, click copy, or open the page to check how it looks like. Well, in my opinion, it looks a bit weird, but you can test it. I personally always use my website. I have Maven and I use Maven pages to promote these offers easily. Now you might be asking, how are you or when are you going to get paid? Here, go to the FAQ section and the first question will answer your query. How do I earn money on CPALead? And the third question, when will I get paid on CPALead? They say at this point, you should always check their conditions. You will get paid on a weekly basis, which means you get paid every 7 days. If you are a new member, we may need to wait for feedback on your traffic quality before we issue payment. Typically, after your first payment, you will be paid on a weekly basis. Now, you will find the link embedded on the video to free traffic software. Go browse that link and get your free traffic software. Use CPALead, use Maven if you want. That will be super awesome and very professional, and it will help you make more money in many different directions. But use CPALead and get traffic from the software in this link embedded here. Hey, are you liking these videos? We are putting a lot of effort on these videos. Please like, subscribe, switch on notification bell button, as this is the only way to get notified by YouTube when we upload our next video. And I will see you in the next video.